Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the J.dream Japanese lunch meal. I'm not sure because it's indicated in the website. It shows a Japanese lunch meal by J.dream and it's squishy as well. Guys, but now I'm gonna show you the J.dream listing. This is super realistic. It looks so real. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna show you the first one, which is in this kind of packaging, very unique packaging. I'm not sure what it says here on the packaging because I don't know Japanese, but it seems there's a dumpling, maybe a chicken dumpling here. But in Singapore you call it siu mai. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, maybe this is the one that they would serve using the box, or maybe takeaway packaging at the restaurant to bring back home. Maybe this is how they wrap it up. Okay, I'm gonna open up this packaging. This is how you open it up. Just pull it. And this is how it looks like inside. Okay, this is an omelette, a fish cake. This fish cake is hard. This omelette is squishy. It's quite squishy. Okay, this is maybe something like a chicken, and some of the dumplings here. It's hard as well, and Japanese rice, maybe with some sauce or paste. This Japanese rice is squeezy as well. Squeeze, you can squeeze, I mean squishy as well. Looks super realistic. Okay. And then the next one I'm gonna show you is exactly the same like the previous one, just that the packaging is in red. It shows a squid here. There's a squid here. Maybe it's a squid. It's a meal with a squid, barbecue squid or something else. It has a ball chain as well, where you can actually hang in on your bags. Okay, just open this up. Yeah, it is just a squid. Maybe this is a grilled squid or barbecue squid, I'm not sure. Sorry. Okay, there's only 2 squid in the box. It is squishy as well. You can see here, you can squeeze it. Okay. Okay, the next one, it is a rectangle box as well, but it's not wrapped up with the rubber band, with a gold rubber band here. Just a normal one. I'm not sure what is it. It's in Japanese. It shows here 100% beef. I think it's 100% beef. So I'm gonna open this up. Yes, it looks super realistic. You can see here there's a carrot, broccoli, maybe some cheese, and then Japanese rice, and 4 slices of beef. Maybe beef or lamb, I'm not sure. It's a beef lamb. It looks super realistic. It's a barbecue beef, or I don't know. But it's super realistic. This is squishy as well. Okay, the next one I'm gonna show you is something round, but it sure said that there's a puffer fish. Maybe Japanese do eat puffer fish. I don't dare to eat puffer fish because it's poisonous. Only Japanese know how to prepare puffer fish meal. And I'm gonna open this up. It's round. This is how it looks like. Inside there's a shrimp, mini shrimp, Japanese rice. There's maybe a meatball or chicken ball, I'm not sure, carrot, maybe some ginger slices, and the puffer fish. It's all squishy. Okay, then the next one, last but not least, I'm gonna show you is brown as well, but it shows nothing, just a orangey color. I guess this is a fish roll. I'm gonna open this up and let you see. Let me see if I can open this up. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Looks so realistic. Okay, there's a fish roll here. It's not squishy, it's hard. Okay, there's maybe some of the fish cake, the wasabi, and this is squishy. This is sea urchin roll. Okay, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video for more gashapon from Japan. Goodbye.